Hello guys, it's me again. We have a package. I am actually at
Sirens of
Sweden's house right now. We're going to unbox it. Oh yes, thank you. Alright, we're just going to get straight into it. Just cut the tape. Oh yes. Yes, these are really cool. These are Concilium heat detectors. I don't know why I really like them, they just look really nice. They're pretty unusual actually. And yes, they're really cool. And we also have some multi-signal or SME heat detectors. They're a bit more new style. These are waterproof, these aren't waterproof, so you could use these outside and these probably as well, but they would not last as long.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much the first box. And also we have one special. These are actually all conventional, so you could pretty much use them. Alright, but here we have another one. This is a bit more newer style. You can see if you compare it with the base from the older one, you can see this is a lot newer.
This one has some special things in it.
Yeah, this is a bit better than old, I think. So now let's move on to the. We're done with this box now. This is just concealing heats and some multi-signal heat detectors. Here we have the other one. Let's just open it. It was already open, kind of. Oh yeah. Here we have some Hochiki smoke detectors, conventional. They're actually the same as the addressable, but only the base is a bit different. It has this LED. It's also really cool. Let's see if there's anything special in here. You can also see this is a bit more yellow, so this means this is not the original smoke detector. But yeah. Also really cool. That was basically it for the Hochiki. Nothing special actually, but still really cool. And here we have one of the last packages. Let's see what's in here. Even more Hochiki, and we have this, also Hochiki. This is a heat detector. Really weird actually. It looks kind of weird. I didn't expect this. Here we have the unusual Concilium heat detector. This one is actually without an LED light. You could see all these newer ones actually have that, but this one doesn't. And the inside is also different, so yes. Even more Hochiki smoke detectors, really cool still. We actually got 2 of those. 3? I didn't even see this one. And 4, oh my god. I don't have another Concilium smoke down here. This is just a regular one. It's maybe a bit broken, but that's something I can fix easily. Oh, okay. Here we have a SME branddetektorlampa. This is for detectors you can't see. Detectors are like in the attic or something. You can see if they're activated. This will tell if it is. And they SME smoke detector, a conventional, bit old style actually. I think it's conventional. You have some problems with it. Use. Alright, that's basically it for this as well. And of course some more Hochiki smoke detectors, conventional. Also really cool. I just think these look really cool, I don't know why. And we also got some fire alarm cable and conduit. As you can see, this is fire alarm conduits. Really cool. I really have been wanting this, so I'll have it. And there's some pretty old style fire alarm cable in here as well. Really weird actually, but it's still really cool. So and here we have this other stuff, Concilium, Hochiki, and SME and stuff. And definitely a special thanks to Sirens of Sweden for giving me the stuff. So yes, definitely go subscribe to his channel. His channel will be in the description and also here on the screen right now. He also has an unboxing video, I think, right now. We'll check that out. Bye bye, I'll see you all in the next video.